Hey guys, before we really get started with this video, I wanted to very quickly say that I'm looking for an intern to work with. So any of you who's watching this video has a pretty decent camera, is passionate about photography and filming, please direct message me either here on YouTube or on the back end of Instagram. I would absolutely love to work with you. We can discuss this some more when you text me. But yeah, I'm gonna head you off to the video now.
She stands by the window, stares at the morning sun. She hopes for a clear view before the day is done. What can you do when you're head over heels in love?
Hello, good morning. We're vlogging today. Wait, I think it was zoomed in. There you go. I cannot believe how long it has been since I last vlogged, but we're vlogging today. I kind of woke up super late. My phone switched off, so I could not hear any kind of alarm at all. So I slept through till about 8 o'clock. By the way, Vicky has left. I'm still in my night outfit. But let's get started with the day. It's whiter. If I don't get myself moving now, I don't think I will move at all. I'll just spend the whole day watching YouTube videos.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
One of the reasons I buy fruits and vegetables from Big Basket is that they're so responsibly sourced. Not only do you get like good quality like veg, but you also get to choose if you want to buy something organic, which is generally what I go for against all of Vicky's recommendation. He doesn't believe that organic food is what they claim to be organic. They might just be lying. The man has a point, but still I like to kind of buy things organic and I get them. And not only that, but all their paper bags, plastic bags, they're not plastic. They are compostable. You can kind of recycle their boxes. They're just so environment friendly. It makes me so happy to shop there. So giving a free shout out to Big Basket, not sponsored, but anyway, I'm gonna get started with my yoga. A lot of you guys ask me where I get my yoga mat from. This one is from Decathlon. This is the 8mm yoga mat. And because I woke up late today, my motivation to do yoga is like reducing by the hour. So if I don't get this done, I don't think I'll get any kind of workout done at all today. So let's get started.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place.
Fresh fruits. So yummy. Lunch today, it has what? Carrots, green gram sprouts, some cucumber, and just about half an apple that I had left over. You know what? I'm feeling like it needs a bit of a crunch, so I'm gonna add some peanuts. These are roasted peanuts. These are not like salted roasted. I just pan roasted them. So I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this bub. Also, what do you guys think about listening to music when you're eating? Does that still count as mindful eating? Because I'm in the mood for a bit of a music, yo.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point.
So I'm making coconut milk today. I'm making what, like a week's worth of coconut milk. I have about 1.5 coconuts here. I did a lot of research on Pinterest as to how to make coconut milk, and turns out it's not that difficult. I'm gonna try that now. This coconut water, by the way, which was inside one of these big ones, so yummy.
I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go.
Oh my God, you guys.
You will always
Is it a
keep
hot
my
day, or is making coconut milk so strenuous? Because trust me, it's giving me like a proper sweat. Oh my God, I think I should have done this before taking a shower anyway. This is how much coconut that I have just shredded or ground into kind of a coarse paste in the mixie. I'm gonna pour some water and let this sit for what, about 20 minutes, I guess. At least that's what the vlog said, and then I'm gonna squeeze it out. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna just go rest a little bit. Wow, look at that. Ew. I think I'm gonna go wash my face first.
You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Later, look what I have here. There is easily about a liter of coconut milk in there. I already have 2 bottles of it here. I have a box full of grated coconut that I'll be using throughout this week to make chutney and sambar spice mix and stuff. And I also have a glass of it here so I can taste, because you know what, I've been slaving away, but honestly I did not expect this much coconut milk to come out of literally like 1.5 coconuts. I kind of want to ask you guys, what do you think? What should I do? I mean, I'm going to use them in a curry or to like make coconut milk curry. Oh my god, this is so fresh. Is this really how coconut milk tastes when it is fresh? Okay, I've never really had like fresh coconut milk. Oh, I'm gonna drink a glass of this every day, chilled maybe with a couple of ice cubes, because it's a super hot day today and I think it's gonna continue getting hotter. But yeah, what I was saying is, if you guys have any coconut milk juice recipes, please let me know. Alright, my hand is hurting. Cannot bear the weight of this camera. I'm gonna set you guys down.
Watching the stars and the city lights.
I can't believe how much hard work I've done today. I feel like honestly I've spent so much time in the kitchen. I made, what did I make for breakfast? Yeah, breakfast was easy. I made nothing at all. But for salad, the coconut milk, now it's so hot. I'm literally running the fan on full speed. I also made some banana and strawberry nice cream, which is what I'm gonna eat now. And also I have my trusty coconut milk. I've still not finished it. I'm gonna have that and do a little bit of thumbnail work, because today one of my breakfast, weekly Indian breakfast, I don't know what I'm saying, one of my breakfast recipe videos is coming out. So if you're watching this, it's probably already out there. I will link it below in the description box. You guys can go watch it. So I'm gonna just sit and do some thumbnail work and chill a little bit, because oh my god, I've done too much work today.
Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita. You wanted me to know, never ever let you go, dear Wichita. Surrounded by cars, it's such a sight, watching all the lovers fall into the night. All the moods in a heartbeat, we're going back where it all began. The same ground under our feet, starts to shake with you all we can. Winter time to spring, I remember everything from Wichita. This town is on its knees, you know know this town's got the best of me. Are we sure it's the last time?